You just watched what Odysseus is. Now let's get it running on your machine. Before starting, you need Git and Node.js to be installed in your laptop. If haven't yet, go install it. No accounts, no API keys to start. Then clone PewDiePie repo, open PowerShell, and run these one at a time, not combined. Set up a virtual environment and install dependencies. If activate.ps1 throws a permissions error, and it will on most fresh Windows installs, run this once. Then set up your admin account in the terminal. Copy it somewhere safe. Start the server using this command. Open the localhost link and log in. You're inside. The body is there now, but we still need the brain to operate it. Go to Ollama.com, download it for Windows, install it. One installer, no config. It runs silently in the background. So hit the cookbook tab. It scans your VRAM and recommends models that will actually run on your hardware. Pick one. Go to Ollama, search up your model, copy this command, open new terminal, paste it in, hit enter. Okay, back to Odysseus interface. Click this button here, plus and paste this exactly in local right there. Then click add. Once that's done, come back here, click that button again. You'll see your model successfully installed. No GPU, no problem. Skip the local model entirely and just drop in an API key from any provider under settings. You can find all of this in API key mode video in that playlist. Now, every time you want to reopen Odysseus, you have two options. First one is the manual way. Open PowerShell, navigate to the Odysseus folder, activate the venv, run uvicorn, open the browser. 3 commands every single time. Second one is the autonomous double-click method. Create a file called startodysseus.bat inside your Odysseus folder. Link to download, it is in the description, just drop it in. From now on, double-click it and start. That's it for this one. The rest of the series is in the playlist. Like and subscribe for more AI tools that actually matter.